किंडरगार्टन के बच्चों के साथ में जा दिया है बोल के वीडियो में अपनी बहन को शाउट आउट दे रहा है इनका माइक बंद कर दो यार Where is this used? Sometimes it's also about, just the conviction and like the risk-taking appetite.
Thank you so much.
She's extremely biased.
So refreshing. Hey, hi guys. Welcome back to We Bowl Rahul.
Let's go!
We're gonna take that again. Hi guys! Welcome back to Be Bold Rahul. I am Kavya and today I am joined by two men on the right, two single men on the right, Rahul and Rohan, and one ran through as fuck motherfucker on my left.
क्या बोला?
That's a team name.
That's a team name.
Yeah. अपना हाथ जगन्नाथ.
So refreshing, so fresh. I love
So
it.
fresh,
So
so fresh,
fresh,
so
so
fresh.
creative you boys are.
That's
Okay.
really dumb. कौन dumb?
Bold
मुझे bully करने के लिए बुलाया है यहाँ पे।
ये वीडियो कहाँ में टॉर्चर करने की वजह से? Russians.
Grow up!
Okay, what are we doing? What are we playing?
Okay. The concept of this video is really simple.
Mic get your.
Okay. The concept of this video.
Kindergarten के बच्चों के सामने डाल दिया है मुझे. So we're basically going to be showing these boys a bunch of products. इनका mic बंद कर दो यार.
Go ahead, please. Kavi.
They're supposed to tell you. The
Go
point
ahead.
of the video is that by the end of the video, the two single boys should also not be single. You know what I mean?
But yeah, we should have a wager. Like if we
Major,
win, what do we
I
get?
really know.
Okay, Okay, the rules of this game are really simple. We're going to run them through a bunch of products, and both teams, the singles team and the ran through team, are going to have to compete to guess the product. They have buzzers right here in front of them, which is really weird sound. And the game is really simple. I will present this PPT and run them through different objects. Whichever team wants to guess first will ring the buzzer, and they will have only 10 seconds to come up with an answer. The team with two people will have to collectively align on one answer and come back.
Okay.
You can't individually guess.
And you have to say my final answer is.
Yeah, and my final answer
Okay.
is, and you can't ring the buzzer and sit on it for like 30 seconds.
Don't stop.
They can 10 seconds.
अभी तो बचता रहेगा.
No! And oh!
Okay, but if they answer wrong, is there negative marking?
Yeah,
Yes.
so to begin with, I have some really simple objects. So like we kind of get the reward mark. But you know the rules, are we ready now?
Yeah, but you can't be biased. Because they're single, so I know like they're up for grabs, so you can't be biased towards them. I know I'm dating someone, so
Okay. What's this?
Yeah, baby.
Tell, Utkarsh.
that's an eyelash color
Say,
thingy.
that's correct. Utkarsh gets 1 point. Okay.
Maybe he gets five points.
Okay, 5 points. Okay, cool.
Color.
What's
I already
this?
know.
Hey, one more.
No.
Single boys.
You have to answer. 10 seconds.
This
Come
is
on.
like a mascara thing.
Okay, that's correct.
Oh.
It's a mascara.
Oh wow.
Okay, cool.
What-
Amazing.
What is the
Amazing.
thing next to it? Wait, one second. What's the
अरे
thing
वो
next to it?
ढक्कन है.
ढक्कन.
That's
वो ढक्कन है.
You're throwing me off by these things. That's
Good
not-
job.
Okay,
Good job,
okay,
Kavya.
good job. We're even right now. Okay,
Yes,
cool.
yes.
Okay, cool. What's this?
Hey, Bash.
Should I?
Yeah.
Utkarsh.
Yes.
Tampon?
No.
That's wrong.
No. It's a tampon applicator.
That's correct.
Let's go!
Yeah,
That's what I said. It's a tampon.
it's a
No,
tampon
it's not a
applicator.
tampon.
What does that mean?
So what you see in that image is a tampon,
Correct.
the thing with the string. Next to it is the tampon applicator.
I
You
thought
use
the-
this
what
applicator.
will you do with the applicator without the tampon?
I thought the
Arey-
woman was the tampon applicator.
Yeah, exactly.
quickly now, so a lot of the following objects are going to be very similar to like, oh, something you know, but it's not exactly that.
So you have to answer
So
the
think
full thing.
laterally and think like, oh, okay, what is like
ठीक है,
this?
ठीक है,
How
ठीक है.
could this be related to the object you have in mind?
Got it.
Got it.
Also, with certain objects are used on only certain body parts, so you have to actually crack कहाँ use होता है.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
ठीक है?
Cool, awesome, done.
Okay.
Done. चलो.
Okay, let's go. The next one. What's this?
Hair color.
That's correct.
What the
What?
It's a
fuck?
heatless curling rod.
What the fuck?
That's insane, dude.
भाई मेरे को ये फांसी का बंदा लग रहा था.
ये तो वो एड्स पे आता है. प्रिवेंट एड्स वाला रिबन है यार.
So it's something that women wear in their hair and sleep overnight. And when you
Okay.
wake up, your hair has like natural curls and it's
Yes,
heatless.
I knew
Okay.
that. Can I just say, it's very important to establish in this video that it's not just about single versus relationship. It's about like, because my sister uses this. So even if you
I
grown
don't have
up
a sister.
around, yeah, so you lose.
Okay, thank you.
So you lose in life if you don't have a sister. So sisters are the best.
भैया
Yeah,
मैं
भाई.
राखी.
Cool के वीडियो में अपनी बहन को shout out दे रहा है. Okay. What's this? What's this used for? Okay, question is, tell me, you have to tell me exactly why is this used for?
चूतिया सही है.
It has something to do with the eyebrows.
Okay.
To shape, shape,
Fuck off. No.
comb or
This
shape
is
your eyebrows.
No, it has nothing to do with
a
eyebrows.
hair brush designed
Okay.
to reduce like frizzy.
That's correct.
Bro,
What the hell?
fucking go,
What the hell?
It's a slick back bun for people who have like baby hair or like people who have like frizzy hair to kind of like sleek
ये
it up.
prepare करके आया. There is absolutely no way anybody. Kavya, do you even you know this?
bro,
Of course you know
this is
that.
Jamal carpet cleaner, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Jamal carpet plug.
Let's go.
Okay, cool. Good going, boys. What's this?
Hey.
That's a period cup, Diva cup.
Yeah, I mean,
What?
Diva is a brand, but
Period cup.
yeah, it is a
Menstrual cup.
Menstrual cup.
Bro,
Period
no,
cup
no,
क्या
no,
होता है?
shut up.
Period
What's
cup
it?
नहीं है.
No,
Shut
it's a
up.
Diva
He
cup.
said Diva cup.
It's a
That's
Diva
Diva
cup.
cup.
Period cup क्या होता है?
Diva cup is
Diva cup
correct.
is the name of this thing.
No, but you had to say be specific.
Yeah, so I said period cup.
No.
नहीं ठीक है ले ले.
It's a menstrual
अरे ले
cup.
ले you're so far
menstrual
behind.
It's
Thank
okay,
you,
but
thank you.
please learn. It's called a menstrual cup.
Yeah.
Man, we're trying to remove men.
And Diva is a brand.
Diva is.
Okay,
Diva is a brand. Not all cups are Diva cups.
Yes, but all Rohans are divas. इसी बात में उसने mic गिरा दिया.
Okay, from this point, this quiz is going to get slightly intense, so buck up.
अरे.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
डरते क्या हम?
What's this?
Hey, why did it?
Okay, go for it.
This is a menstrual cup wash, like a cleaner thing. It washes the menstrual cup whenever you're done with it.
That's correct. That's a menstrual sterilizer.
Sterilizer. He knows it's sterilizer. You said you have to be specific. You said you have to be specific.
After you're done using it, you put it in the
Cleaning and sterilizing are two very different
I had
things.
Saleh.
Wait,
What is
you
this?
clean
Clean
it
it by
by sterilizing.
sterilizing it.
Sterilize करता है.
मैं तो sterilize करता हूँ भाई. Depends on Kavya. Do you want to give us the point?
Yeah, for
Thank
sure,
you.
for sure.
Thank you.
So it's a little device that like women put their cups in after they use it, and like there's water and it steams and it sterilizes the cup.
Interesting.
Okay, what's this?
It's a roller. It's a face roller. No, jade roller.
She.
No.
That's wrong.
It's a you put this in the freezer, it becomes cold, and then you like.
Face roller क्या बोला मैंने साले?
अबे वो
Both
तो
of it
chain
is
roller तो
wrong.
material होता है ना chain
Both
का
of it is
material.
wrong. By the way,
This
both
is-
teams have lost the point.
Okay,
Now
now
it's
it's
a
a
lose
device.
law.
It's a
What
shaper.
is it?
It's a shaper.
It's
It's
not
a
a
jaw
shape.
line
अरे
shape.
रुको
Okay,
ना
now
discuss
open,
करना है
open.
ना
Just
भाई.
look closely.
See, basically, it's not a jade
It's
roller.
definitely
for
something
sure.
that's rolling. But it's a roller. It's a face roller.
Yes,
It's a
that's
roller,
correct.
but
That's
it's not a
correct.
face roller.
Upper lip.
Okay,
Is it something sticky?
Yes.
Okay, so it has to do with the hair. It has to do with tiny hair removal.
Yes.
If you're rolling it on.
Oh.
Yes.
So waxing, I'm assuming, will catch on larger hair. Smaller hair will not be caught by waxing
Okay.
strips or whatever. So this
A
small
little
hair
bit of a
removal.
hint. Think outside the body.
Lint roller.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay,
What
Let's
the
go.
fuck?
Let's go.
That's a lint roller.
Dude, how is it glossy?
I have never seen a
That's a
lint roller
cap.
like that.
That's a cap.
Lint roller with
It's a
gandhi ke
sticky.
sath with a stick.
Yes.
Yeah, this is wrong.
This is no. This
She
is
has specifically found.
This is misdirection.
She specifically found images that don't look
Yeah,
like
yeah,
actual
yeah.
content just to
Dude,
throw us
cancel
off.
this
Yeah.
one.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
so maybe
What the
okay.
fuck?
Also, the thing is, if the both of you press the buzzer, then it means that you also intended to answer.
Yeah, yeah.
Then if you don't answer, you get a minus.
हाँ, ठीक है, quiz में
But we
मैं-
did buzz.
You did buzz. You did buzz. So both of you get a minus over the scoreboard. Like scoreboard is the same. Okay, cool. What is this?
अरे कपड़े सुखाने की clip.
रुक जा, guess मत कर.
Look carefully.
कॉमेडी क्लिप
वो साइड में
ये
डिस्को
साइड और तो मुझे पता है साइड और तो फेस पाउडर है बेबीज को लगाते जो बेबी फेस पाउडर थी
Dude, I know
Okay,
this.
okay, hit.
Is this an eyebrow plucker?
That's true. It's an eyebrow threading tool. It has like the threads that you
Yes.
like use to.
That's what I
Okay,
said.
good one. Good one. Very
Nah,
nice.
dude,
Good one.
nah, bro.
We go to the next one. What is okay exactly? Where is this used?
ये vibrator लग रहा है.
लिपस्टिक लग रहा है
Lipstick vibrator.
It can't be that simple.
Yeah,
ये सारे तरह से cheap production ढूंढे सब कुछ 60
कोई नहीं खरीद रहा
ये इतने obscure images ढूंढे ऐसे सारे.
It looks futuristic. Okay.
No, this is also like an epilator.
futuristic
Yeah,
oh so like how
sure.
you're pregnant without a man type situation.
Yeah.
okay. There's ऊपर कुछ धारी धारी सा दिख रहा है bro it's like something to like
हाँ.
get your hair off your
Yeah, ये सारे hair related ही है क्या?
Bro, ढक्कन के नीचे.
dude is it a like you is it a nose hair trimmer situation
Oh,
dude could be right
Yeah.
You can also. You don't have to be hyper specific. You can give me a generic
अब
answer.
you
Like
said hyper
this is
specific?
why
अच्छा.
this is why it's used.
ये
This is how
हमारे
it's used.
दिमाग का
Why
quality-
you?
Guess करना nose hair.
नहीं, nose hair नहीं.
तू करना guess तो कर.
तू guess कर तू कर यार
Risk लेना.
बोलना पड़ेगा
बोल दे.
Okay, nose hair trimmer.
It's a trimmer, but
No,
it's a
that's
general
not
ये
it.
सारे
facial.
ये कैसे?
It's a
the
facial
same
basically
thing. It's
again.
the same
It's a
thing.
circular.
epilator. This is
Yeah.
an
It's
automated
a
epilator.
razor. It's a facial epilator.
But-
Like
but
that you
you-
use like that to remove like.
But
It's-
you,
and it's-
but you can put it in the nose.
no you can't negative marking please
Bring it here. Bring it. I'll put it in my nose.
It can't go inside your nose. Look at how thick it is.
अरे look at him
I'm gonna give them this one because they cracked the.
negative you said
Quiz
hyper
master,
specific.
quiz
They
master.
specially said-
No negative.
Sometimes it's
She
also
said
about
you
you
don't
know
have to be
just the
specific.
conviction and like the risk-taking appetite.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
She's
I love
extremely
this
biased.
quiz master.
That's really not
No
good.
dance with this
Let's
quiz
go.
master.
That's
I
not
love
okay at all.
Love it. Love it.
That's
Thank you
not
so much.
okay
Thank
at
you.
all.
Thank you.
That's
Okay.
not okay at all.
No,
That's
that's
not
done
okay.
now.
I refuse to play this game.
Quiz master is God. She's decided.
Next
And-
time, just take the risk and stop wasting my time in contemplating as a as a. What
Yeah,
you
because when I took the risk and I'm answering wrong and you're like, be hyper specific, then you'll be negative points.
Wow, you can't be so
Don't be
critical of the
so
quiz
biased
master.
to a
Terrible.
relationship guy.
Yeah,
bro.
terrible. Just because I'm
Okay.
taken.
What is this?
Hey.
Okay, Utkarsh.
hook situation.
Think more and answer a little bit more. Define me the
No,
use
no, no.
case.
इनको दे देना. Nose hair removal में कुछ नहीं दिया और वैसे में bra hook इतना specific बोल रहा हूँ. Think more. It doesn't have to be hyper specific when it's two
You're
men.
the right tube.
But when it's one ran through motherfucker, you have to be hyper specific. कुछ तुझे तो पता होना चाहिए.
हाँ, तू बता ना.
तेरे बैग में यही होता है ना. तू लेके घूमता है ये सब.
Okay, tell. What is it?
That's how
It's a bra hook. Like that's what you put a bra hook
No,
in. Like,
bro.
Where's the hook?
Where's
तो
the
खाली
hook?
hook क्यों है?
क्योंकि तुमने obscure images ढूंढे हैं सारे मुझे throw up
नहीं,
करने के
नहीं,
लिए.
नहीं,
Bro,
गलत
there's
है,
something
गलत
else,
है,
bro.
there's something else.
No, but you keep. I'll give you another chance.
This looks like
Follow
the
it up
two-blood
with-
capacitor.
No, 1 second. He's answering right now. 1 second. I'll give you another chance. You're in the right universe. Tell me. Look at the image, and it's very clear. Look at the image and tell me exactly what is it. What is it doing?
It's a hook holder, like something you put a hook in when your bra is loose.
It's a.
I will give it to him.
Like an extra bra
It's a
hook.
bra extender.
Bro, what the fuck? I was about to say it.
It's a bra extender.
Hey, but technically his answer is wrong. He said you
Yes.
put this in your bra when the bra is loose.
Yes,
But you
but
put
I
this in the
was-
bra when the
Yes,
bra is
yes,
tight.
Bro, you have
You're
to.
right.
हो गया, fuck हो
Correct,
गया तो.
correct.
You have to
Correct.
give us this thing also.
Correct. Oh, it's their point. Let's give them the point.
No, but then it didn't come to them.
No, it didn't come to that. Don't give him next.
But I said
I won't
extender at the same time as you said.
I vote for Rahul to
That's
be the
true.
next quiz master.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
true. How do you know about bra extenders?
I don't know, man.
He tried it.
Okay, we move on to the next one.
Okay.
Again, look at the image for long enough to come to the exact use case.
Okay, next one.
Yeah,
Or this
every
one.
all other
Everywhere.
images. Yes.
Stare करो भाई.
Okay. What is this used for?
I said, it's that stone. It's the face stone thingy. 100% is the face
Jade.
stone thing. Jade bol, legit stone. Then face stone thingy. Face
No, this is a gua sha.
Gua sha. It's a gua sha.
Yeah, but
Gua
he
sha.
hit the buzzer. It's true, it's a gua sha.
Yes.
But we got it. Use
It is
case,
a gua
समझ
sha.
में आ गया,
It
that's
is a gua
okay.
sha.
Okay,
Yeah,
Utkarsh
it is
gets
a gua
plus
sha.
5.
It
No,
is a
this is
gua
my
sha.
friend's brand actually. Russ Luxury Oils.
Oh, really?
Oh, nice. Let's go.
Shout
Russ.
out.
Shout out.
Shout out.
What's her name?
Shubhika.
Shubhika,
Shout out Shubhika.
Woo!
Let's go.
What's this?
Hey. Oh, hit.
Bandage.
This is the boob tape.
Yes, that's correct.
Ah.
It's a
Let's
plastic
go.
tape. Good one.
Nice.
Good one.
All the brands.
Shout out.
Wait, so like the
Shout out underneath.
Yeah, let's talk about.
Underneath.
above the pasty you apply the boob tape to kind of
Oh.
give a lift.
Oh.
Yeah.
थोड़ी सी तो
Ah, so why not just wear, I'm just asking, why not wear a push-up bra instead?
Because
Oh, this is for without a bra when you need a lift.
yes.
Oh,
For when
no.
you're wearing like skimpy clothes that like you cannot
It's like
wear.
when you're feeling down.
No.
Because you need.
When you're wearing a backless top and you can't wear a bra because then your bra will show.
Ah.
We move on to the next one.
The foot grater
That's true.
thingy.
Yeah, it's an exfoliating scrub.
यार
Utkarsh gets a +5.
Yes.
ये तो तेज दबा यार
What's this?
Hey.
Utkarsh.
It's a hair thing, like a hair scrunch, hair bun.
Hair bun, that's correct.
Like something like
A
that.
hair donut.
Hair donut.
That's
Yeah.
used to make buns.
यार ये
Okay.
तो हमें आता है यार.
यार तू कहाँ
हाँ,
सुन नहीं रही हमारा नो
Dude, yeah, dude, you're literally.
Donut तो हमें पता था.
नहीं हम बन किस के देते हैं देखो बन पे मत देखो पता है डोनट क्या होता है
Bun
That's
मत
okay,
साले.
Okay, I think we have the last two in line now.
Fuck, bhai,
Okay,
back
cool.
कर यार.
Okay, back up friends. Okay. What's this?
Hey!
Is the nail polish solidifier.
That's correct. It's a nail laser machine.
Bro,
Hey,
what the fuck?
कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हो
Nail polish solidifier
That's
and
true.
nail polish machine.
That's literally what it is. Like when you apply, when you get like permanent
No,
nails
dude,
done.
this
Yeah, it is
machine.
that.
This
It's
machine
called.
puts nail art on your.
No,
forehead.
it's curing. It's nail curer. Yeah.
It's a 25
Oh,
all
shit.
now.
What
Wait,
is
okay,
the last thing?
We'll only do one more, and this is going to be the tiebreaker.
अच्छा
Whoever gets this
she
one.
can
उसके पास रख उसके
Objective.
तू दबा दे भाई
Okay. What's this? Okay, you.
Okay,
you
go for it.
Oh, I don't know.
Say it.
She's literally in the photo.
छोटी मिक्सी लगी.
मैं guess करता हूँ क्या ये ये है
Bro, eye bag remover.
Eye bag remover. चलो.
वो cold आई वो freeze
cold,
करते हैं
eye
और
bag
हो जाता है
remover.
cold आँख के
Yes,
नीचे से रब
yes.
करते हैं
Eye bag
Is that
remover.
your
Eye bag,
answer?
yes.
That's wrong. -5 to that.
Yes. Yes. Can
So-
I say it?
Yeah.
For free because there's no negative marking.
Yeah, he
It's a choti mixie for matcha. That's what I said. No, I'm joking.
I will give you the
Wait, can you zoom in? Can you zoom? Wait. For the sake of education of the people, this is what I
Is it aloe vera gel?
It's an aloe vera flavor or something, but
Okay.
for measurement.
Kavya, your name, do you have aloe vera flavored butt plugs?
Okay, so what's your answer? Lip balm.
No, what the
No,
fuck?
yeah,
As
that
I
eye
was-
Dude, is it one of those douche thingies?
Can I just say you might have seen this in some bathrooms?
Is it fitkari?
Fitkari. Oh.
Fitkari होती है ना?
हाँ, वो जो
हाँ.
cuts को वो
Lick,
करने के
हाँ.
लिए. नहीं, aloe vera flavor तो क्या है? भाई lip balm होगा और क्या होगा?
alo vera flavor है कंफर्म है
हाँ, वो तो
I mean,
मैंने
वो
guess
तो
कर
flavor
लिया.
से क्या
वो तो
फर्क
मैंने guess
पड़ता
कर दिया
है?
यार.
That's like fragrances and that's like oh whatever.
Face wash?
no idea
Is it soap?
Okay, question, hint. Do you
हमें तो नहीं मिला hint हमें तो नेगेटिव मिल गया
हाँ.
अबे discussion हो रहा है,
अब तो
game
वो
खत्म
जीत
हो
गया
चुका है.
already.
But like, do you use the product of the like? Do you use the container or do you remove something from the container to use?
Is this the
It
container?
comes with the cap.
Do you use this as it is in this
Yes,
form?
and it's not used on the face.
Oh, then you put it in somewhere maybe.
Underarms.
Yes, that's
Yes,
it.
deodorant. It's a deodorant.
It's
It's
a
a roller.
Zoom out.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's a roller.
Oh.
Okay, ठीक है, एक और bonus के लिए
जनता
शायद
की
मेरे पास
education के लिए, जनता की
Bonus.
education.
Let me see if है मेरे पास. What's this?
Property.
I hit it first
He hit it first.
It's
property
So 25 all.
25
all.
IUD.
25 all.
भाई तो दबा दे भाई
That's it. That's all we have.
Oh no, you have
Oh,
to
we
ask.
have to have a tiebreaker.
You have to-
You
अभी
guys
खत्म
said
नहीं हुआ था.
जनता के education के लिए एक
तो game खत्म ही नहीं हुआ था
Very
लेकिन.
up to 25 all है
No, what's the
This
score?
one was not for.
all.
This one was not for scores. That's
मेरी
why I
बात
said
सुनो
that एक
मेरी
और
बात
bonus
सुनो
है.
Okay, so are you trying to say I won the game?
Yes!
Yes!
Brother,
One
that's
second,
why that
one
time
second.
was extra in case we needed more tiebreakers. But we
No,
had a
but the very
tiebreaker on
fact that
this
we
one.
asked the question and we got the point means it's a tie.
yes ये मेरा चैनल है
ये इसका चैनल है.
मेरे rules होते हैं यहाँ पे
और हम वापस आना चाहते हैं तो हम इसकी तरफदारी करेंगे.
मेरे पास और questions नहीं है.
अरे
नहीं,
दिमाग से
कुछ भी पूछ ले
दिमाग से
कुछ भी
पूछ
पूछ
लो
ले
यार, दिमाग से
Let me
पूछ लो.
search.
You should do a Jeopardy style tiebreaker.
हाँ
You know the Jeopardy style.
No.
Can I explain it to the audience?
Yes, please.
Jeopardy style tiebreaker is basically both of us at 25 points each. We have 25 points each. Now both of us, like both the teams get the question. Both of us have to answer in Kavya's here, and she'll tell us if we're right or wrong. The thing is, the catch is, it's a Jeopardy style thing, so you have to bid your points. You have to bid your points. So if you have 25 points and I have 25 points, I will bid how many more points. If I answer correctly, I get that point. If I don't answer correctly, that reduces from mine.
ठीक है तो we'll write the bid and the answer on our piece of paper
First bid.
So I'm going to give you one question. try to describe it as closely as you can to popular definition of
Okay.
how a girl might understand it.
समझ
Okay.
गया.
Your first question is, what does it mean to be a girl's girl?
Okay, chalo, I'm done. I have nothing more to write. Read it out, brother. Go for it.
Maybe you read it out.
You
bro.
go first. No bitching, no backtalk, not taking shit about other girls, standing up in support, no questions asked, solidarity.
Ah, cool. I was thinking.
Support.
Because we are boys.
It is support other women, hate men, taking no shit.
No!
doesn't care.
Can I just say no negative marking? That's not
That's
what
not
a
true at
girl's
all.
girl is.
That's not true at all.
Literally.
No.
That's not true at all.
दिखाई नहीं मैंने.
That's negative. Come on,
I just gave it a joke.
Jeopardy.
Hate talk.
Jeopardy, bitch. So if a girl is going to a slumber party and bitching about other girls, she's a girl's girl.
What?
I got it.
Bullshit, they lose all 50 points.
This is bias.
How?
Minus 25.
Zero हो गया ना?
That's what I'm saying. Hates men. That's
Hate toxic man.
Slumber
Hate
party.
toxic.
That's still not girl's girl.
And slumber party.
Okay, I think we have a clear winner.
That is-
The ran through motherfucker has clearly come out with flying colours.
Guys, but we fought, brothers. We fought. As men, we have
good
collectively
game.
won
Yes,
today.
yes.
Good
Today
game.
men have won.
Men have won.
Men have won today.
Amazing.
Good game, boys. Okay,
Good
thank you so much, guys, for the longest video on People Rahul ever.
I'm on for the quiz master for.
Hey,
Let's
yes,
go.
yes.
Wait, so we have a dare. What's the dare?
Oh yeah.
You gotta give them a
give us
dare
मुन्ना
Right.
MBBS
for the
देखिए.
5th hour of this
देखिए.
video.
उसमें वो जो ragging करता है when they both remove their t-shirts and they're doing dolare, you have to do that same dance.
No way.
Yeah, that's the closer for this video. Come
Yeah,
on.
that's the dare. Be bold. Okay, chal, without with t-shirts, let's do it.
Like, share, and subscribe. Be bold, Rahul.
Crazy.
Let's go.
Do it.
Kill it.
Good,
Solid
sir.
dare. Solid
That's
dare.
boys. Love.
Please